Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find device informations about your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, let's move to the settings. From here, scroll down and find device preferences. Click on it and then scroll down and find, don't scroll down, just find the about, if it should be the first thing that pops up, and click on it. From here you'll be able to see device name. You can change it if you want. You can restart device. You can see the status, IP address, MAC address, Bluetooth address, serial number and uptime. You also can see the legal information, model, version, Android security patch level, kernel version, Netflix, ESN and build. What also you can do is do the system update, and if you press on it and you have stable internet connection and there's right now there's actually update for our device, you're able to download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.